some breaking news now emerging with regards to the possible infighting in the Saffron Party's UP unit. This is the exclusive scoop that we have received from our sources. Now, BJP state unit has shared a detailed report with the central top brass, and a couple of things which were highlighted in this detailed report is that the dominance of administration has costed the party a lot of disgruntlement with regards to the Lok Sabha elections this year. Party workers, in fact, felt sidelined and demoralized. The topmost priority of the party now remains to take control of the ongoing situation. We have CNN News 18's Payal Mehta joining us live on the broadcast early this morning. Payal, a very good morning to you. What are the additional details do we have about this particular report that has been submitted to the central top brass? Also, can we look at it as BJP in huddle because of analyzing the performance they showed during the Lok Sabha elections and, of course, the unexpected results?
Well, the BJP definitely has been in a huddle, and that's the reason you had Keshav Prasad Maurya and you had, Bhupendra Chaudhary come in as well. At a later date, also Yogi Adityanath and Brijesh Pathak, another Deputy Chief Minister and Chief Minister himself, will also be asked to come. The biggest focus as far as the Saffron Party is concerned is to resurrect itself in a state where they got overwhelming majority in 2022. They do understand that, yes, certain things have gone wrong. For example, the party cadre feels extremely demoralized because nobody is willing to listen to them. The fact that, administration has been overhauling everything else. Just the way Sanjay Nishat was mentioning that, the administration has an overall control and, political interference has been reduced to practically zero. So that's something which has been the focus. The BJP has also identified that overall in the state of Uttar Pradesh, region after region, they've had at least 8% loss as far as the votes are concerned. So, steps need to be taken because, a lot of non-Yadav, non-OBC votes have also gone away from the BJP. So the narrative the opposition parties try to build on the constitution being changed has also caused the party a lot as well. So the focus is not to now, figure out on, sacking people or probably removing heads as well. Because in any case, Bhupendra Chaudhary's term comes to an end at the end of this year as well. So at this point in time, they want to make sure that they are doing damage control. They're able to, in fact, resurrect themselves. They're able to make sure that the party cadre is taken care of. Because eventually it's a cadre-driven party as well. So obviously something has to be done on that respect. So all these the points have been pointed out to the BJP top brass because remember Bhupendra Chaudhary not only met Union Home Minister Amit Shah, but earlier in the day also met Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and before that he actually had met Party President JP Nadda as well. So it's a 15-page detailed report that the party has prepared on what exactly went wrong, what are the causes that can be taken up as far as correction is concerned. Because the biggest focus right now will be to win those 10 MLA seats that they're going to be contesting in the by-polls. And most importantly, it's not too far away because in 2027, if the party is not able to, clearly, pull up its socks, then probably they're going to be looking at dooms as far as the state elections are concerned. So Yogi Adityanath has also been asked to be more accommodative of people. There has to be a change of attitude as well. Arrogance has to be done away with. There's no place for confrontation. There has to be more of compromise, which has to be worked out. So these are some of the details that, of the report that have been shared by the state unit with the BJP top brass. In fact, Bhupendra Chaudhary, we are given to understand, has submitted this report to both Prime Minister Narendra Modi, to Home Minister Amit Shah, and Party President JP Nadda.
Definitely, Payal. And if we were to talk about the damage control, how exactly the BJP is now going to map their strategy further for the by-polls, of course, and what all are the difficult seats for them this time around?
Well, of course, they'll have to map the by-polls, and that's the reason, you've had about 3 ministers being assigned to every seat. There are, of course, 10 seats that are going to by-polls, and every seat is going to be difficult for the BJP, given the fact that the Samajwadi Party was able to, prove a point, and the Congress and the India Alliance was able to prove a point in Uttar Pradesh. For example, even in the Gorakhpur region, most of the seats were lost. Even in the eastern part of UP, which the BJP considered to be like a safe zone for them, that was also lost. That is something which has to be looked after in great detail. And of course, Jitin Prasad was one of the candidates who actually was moved to the center. He was an MLC also. So all of these leaders are going to be put into effect to make sure that the party resurrects itself. That's the immediate task. But the bigger focus will be to make sure it's a strengthened unit as far as the 2024, 2027 assembly elections that are going to come up. That as far as that is concerned, it's going to be a continuous exercise. It's not a one-day thing. And nobody's blaming anybody else, but everybody has to take a collective responsibility and everybody has to be taken along. The complaint that most of the leaders in the state have had, at least as far as Yogi Adityanath is concerned, is that he's not very accommodative of different views amongst people as well. So that is something also which the party hopes that Yogi will do some course correction in the way in which he's dealing himself, and also the fact that there has been a huge difference between the Sangathan and the Sarkar that has to be mapped, and also the fact that you cannot allow the administration, whether it's the police or whether it's the officers or the bureaucracy, to actually take control of the situation and not have political sense at all. So that's something also which has been brought to the notice of the central leadership.
Absolutely, Payal. It will be interesting to see how exactly the BJP is going to control the situation as of now for the bypost. Thank you so much for breaking all of that out for our viewers and putting that into perspective for them as well. Couple of more political reactions coming in within the same story. Take a look at all of those.
देखिए, एक संगठन तो संगठन पूरे विश्व में सब लोगों को पता है, ये सबसे बड़ा संगठन है। 19 करोड़ के कार्यकर्ता हैं। उन्होंने बात सही कही, 19 करोड़ के कार्यकर्ता है और संगठन को ही लेके संगठन से ही सरकार बनती है, तो इसको हम लोग प्रणाम करते हैं। हम लोग तो पूरे संगठन की हमारी यही प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी कहते हैं, यही पूज्य महाराज जी ने भी अपने भाषण में कहा, ये राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी अमित शाह जी भी यही कहते हैं। तो संगठन को तो हम लोग संगठन की वजह से ही खड़े हैं। भाई, बूथ पर संगठन लड़ता है, चुनाव संगठन लड़ता है, कार्यकर्ता लड़ता है। मैं अकेले तो पूरे लोकसभा में नहीं गया ना, संगठन मेरा दौड़ा। ये मेरा पूरा संगठन जो खड़ा है, जान झोंक दी है, तब हम लोग इतना इस झूठ की आंधी में ऐतिहासिक जीत निकाल के लाए।